Hey everyone, to make these earrings, take a hoop and insert these tiny gold beads into it. You can get them from market or online as well. It does take a little bit time to make these earrings, but you just need some patience. You can try silver too and add silver beads as well. That would look great too. And you can try different combinations with different colors, blue beads, pink beads or any other color depending on what kind of outfit you want to pair it up. After you're halfway through, attach a gold jhumka. Finish up the other side with the rest of the beads. They are so easy to make, it doesn't require any techniques or anything. Even kids can try it out, so definitely do try them. With just little patience, your traditional bead hoop earrings are ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos as well. Until then, meet you in my next video. Happy crafting!